Welcome to all the students of Political Science class 11th. Dear students, our today's topic is the amendment by special majority, amendment by simple majority, and amendment ratification of state legislature. You know that when we talk of the amendment by simple majority, there are various provisions in the Constitution by which we can make the amendments. Some provisions are through special majority, some needs a simple majority. So this way, let's first discuss about the amendment by simple majority. Yes, students, the procedure of amendment is given in Article 368 of the Constitution of India. And you know that there are three ways to amend the Constitution. That is simple majority, special majority, and ratification by state legislature. When we talk of amendment by simple majority, you know that a number of provisions in our Constitution are of temporary nature. These can be altered by Parliament through a simple majority of members present and voting. Thus, if in a voting 247 members were present in the House and all participated in the voting, the bill must get the support of 124 फॉर सिंपल मेजॉरिटी. क्लियर? को अगर 247 मेंबर्स मौजूद होंगे तो उसमें से किसी बिल को पास करने में 124 मेंबर्स की ज़रूरत है, तो द बिल कैन बी पास्ड सिंपली. दिस इज फॉर द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द सिंपल द बिल टू बी अमेंडेड थ्रू सिंपल मेजॉरिटी. They may include the change in the names of the boundaries of states, admission of new states, increase the areas of the states, or rather we say the increase of areas of the states, creation or abolition of the legislative council in the states, etc. तो ये चीज़ें सिंपल मेजॉरिटी के हद में आती है. Moreover, it deals with acquisition and termination of citizenship, giving more jurisdiction to the judges of the Supreme Court also. तो ये वो मदाद है जिनके लिए सिंपल मेजॉरिटी की ज़रूरत है. Now we will proceed to the amendment by special majority. You know that as per Article 368 of the Constitution, there are certain provisions which can be amended by a special majority of the total membership of the House and not less than 2/3 majority. Provisions relating to the fundamental rights and the directive principles of the state policy are amended through this provision. यानी जैसे आपको मालूम है कि जब हम स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी की बात करते हैं तो इसके लिए स्पेशल 2/3 मेजॉरिटी की ज़रूरत है. तो दिस वे तो इसमें मिसाल के तौर पर when we need the amendment in the fundamental rights or the directive principles of the state policy, so such provisions need special majority. So the process is comparatively rigid to the procedure of this simple majority. It means if in a Lok Sabha there are 545 members, an amendment of such type needs the support of at least 270 members of the House. यानी इसका मतलब यह है कि अगर पार्लियामेंट के अंदर 545 मेंबर्स मौजूद हैं तो उसके लिए उसमें से स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी ऐसे अमेंडमेंट जिसमें स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी की ज़रूरत है उसके लिए कम से कम 275 मेंबर्स की ज़रूरत है. Then the bill is passed. So both the houses passed the bill with 2/3 majority. Clear? Then we proceed to the another this system of amendment, that is the ratification of the state legislature. A bill has to be passed by each house of the parliament by a special majority to the total membership of the house and by 2/3 majority of not less than 2/3 of majority members present in voting. So after the amendment has been ratified by the legislature not less than one half of the state by a resolution, वो इसके लिए भी कि 2/3 मेजॉरिटी मेंबर्स की ज़रूरत है. तो इसमें कौन कौन से मदात आते हैं? द इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट, extension power of the union or states, representation of the states in the parliament, or list include in the 7th schedules also. These provisions may come under the ratification of the state legislature. Thank you.